Good day. In this training video, we will look at managing favorites in MYOB Advanced. This feature allows the user to save the forms they most frequently use to the Favorites workspace and to access these documents effortlessly from here. The Favorites workspace is found on the main menu on the left side of the screen and will be available once at least one form has been added to the Favorites list. When we open this workspace, all our favorite items and forms will be displayed, listed in groups by the different modules the forms originate from. Now, let's look at how to add a form to our favorites. From any form in MYOB Advanced, here we are on the Process Shipments form of the Sales Orders module. We can add the form as a favorite by clicking the Add to Favorites icon next to the form's name in the form toolbar. The star will turn yellow, which indicates that the form is now available in the favorites list. We can also add forms to our favorites list from the main workspace of the different modules. For example, if we navigate to the Finance module, we can add the profit and loss statement to our favorites by simply clicking on the star next to the name from here. If we open our favorites menu now, it will include both the Process Shipments form and the profit and loss statement form. We can also add tiles to our favorite items. Let's create a new tile and add this tile to our favorites. On the bottom left of the screen, let's click on the ellipsis and select Edit Menu. The menu editing mode will open. From here, we can select forms to be included in the quick menu of the different workspaces. But we can also add new tiles to the current workspace. Let's add a new tile under the Finance module. Select any suitable icon from the list. Enter a title for the new tile and select the form from the drop-down. Once done, click on OK. The new tile will now display. We can now exit the menu editing mode and select to include the new tile to our favorites list by clicking on the star on the tile. This tile will now be available from the Favorites workspace. To delete a form from the Favorites workspace, simply click on the star next to the form name from the Favorites menu. A line will appear crossing out the name, which means that this form will no longer be available from the Favorites list. And this brings us to the end of our overview of managing favorites in MYOB Advanced. Please let us know with your feedback and join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.